Welcome to the future of technological services. Start in 3, 2. Internet had been a treasure hunt for aspiring businessmen. Because of tremendous rate of technological advances, almost all billionaires came from the field of website and mobile application developers. Starting from the world's first secure online currency, Bitcoin, which is the world's largest bank with no actual cash. Followed by Alibaba, owned by Jack Ma, which is the most valuable online shopping platforms for small to large-scale business. Then the well-known social network, Facebook by Mark Zuckerberg, which enable people to connect to their families or friends anywhere and anytime. And when the road traffic is getting worse, Uber has been developed to help decongestions of roads. So on, many of us realized the potential of internet, like Airbnb, which is the world's largest accommodation provider, etc. So, we came up with an idea that will solve problems like the said company do. Service provider website and application. Okay then, what is this all about? Imagine being the world's largest service provider company, without actual workers and tools. This is the vision or objective of Zervs App. Most of the time, there are works or jobs that are needed to be finished as soon as possible, but the problem is that, sometimes, you don't have any means to contact a labor. You are not sure to whoever fits the to do it. Is this labor can really do the job correctly and on time? These are the questions that bother us for many times. These are the reason why we developed this application. In order to become a service provider company, without actual workers or tools, we are going to be the middleman of the process. We offer services like repairs, maintenance, cleaning, etc. We also have partners who will cater services we offer. We call them specialists. Our main goal is to connect our specialists to our beloved clients. We are also focused on maintaining the quality of service that our specialists can offer by making a constant evaluation of our specialists' previous projects, based on our clients' reviews. Their company will be registered to us, given the right information needed for them to be qualified as our partners. Application features. User-friendly design. Non-intuitive interface. Secure, fast, and reliable. Welcome. Sign in with your credentials. Step 1. Register an account. Step 2. Choose your service. Search, find clients and submit bid. Dashboard, monitor your progress. Services, check our specialist. Messages, connect to partners or clients. Chat, keep records of conversation. Profile, introduce yourself and check reviews. Let's not waste the possibilities that the latest technology can offer to us. Thank you for watching.